So one of the key trends that we observe in really in the world of data today, right, is that we see a lot of organizations that try to move from a traditionally more centralized model where like a few people are, if you like, the gatekeepers to data, to moving that into a more distributed system and have like more, especially also business savvy people participate in the data democracy, if you want to call it, or the data ecosystem.
Clearly, the benefits for the business are quicker, time to market, quicker insights, the way that they can move fast, speed, clearly, agility they want. And traditionally, the central monolithic IT organizations have been quite slow at delivering these types of capabilities, especially when it comes to things like access control and security. The businesses, the business organization are changing their access model all the time. There's new territories appearing, new people, are responsible for new things. These, like a salesperson will change territory, change their responsibilities all the time. And, what they don't want to do is have to go back to IT and request a new type of access control model every time there's a change. And what the business have found is by federating a lot of this stuff and moving it closer to the people who really understand the data, is quicker. When you federate governance, right, you're federating trust to a certain extent. Yeah, you need to be able to trust these people closer to the business, whether they're in the sales organization or wherever, that they have the same mindset of access control, the security, the data sharing mindset. For me, it does really start with a data strategy. And maybe you've decided that data products, are now the way to go for you. Then you need to understand what capabilities you need to build and manage and maintain these data products and govern. And then you look at, what technologies can, fulfill these capabilities. A data product, clearly it has to meet some characteristics. One of those characteristics are, security. It has to be secure, it has to be trustworthy, it has to be findable, addressable, all reusable, all these things. Now, how do you achieve, something like that with the capabilities and the technology choices that you make? I think that is, the approach that I try to teach organizations that I'm working with is it should not start with the technologies.